Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on APL Apollo Tubes. Our analyst maintains buy rating on APL Apollo Tubes with a revised price target of Rs 2000. The company's vision to create scale capacity of 5 metric ton and 10 metric ton by FY25 and FY30 respectively versus 3.6 metric ton currently, and improve profitability, which is expand EBITDA margin to 6000 per ton versus 4500 per ton currently, would drive exponential CAGR of 40% to 45% growth in its EBITDA PAT over FY23 to FY26 earnings, along with high ROE of 34% and ROCE of 44%. Our optimism on robust growth stems from rising application of structural steel tubes in India, which provides large volume opportunity for players like APL. It has a leadership position with 55% market share, plus focus to develop and create a market for innovative products. Strong earning growth outlook and high return ratios would narrow the valuation gap of APL with listed building material peers and make the risk-reward scenario favorable for long-term investor. At current market price, APL trades at 32 times FY25 and 24 times FY26 estimated EPS. Next we cover Carborundum Universal. Analyst recommends buy on Carborundum Universal given company's vision to pursue broad-based growth through product innovation, capex and broadening its market presence. Its abrasive sustained demand from auto, metals, construction, railways would keep up the growth momentum. Further, Rhodius and Aupo have enhanced company's offering and market reach, which shall aid growth in the long term. Increase in specialized product in electro minerals and demand from USA, Australia and Europe would drive overall growth. Improved collection efficiencies have reduced working capital cycle and cash flow from operations also has improved. We build in a 16% revenue and 30% PAT CAGR over FY23 to FY25 estimates. The stock trades at 33 times FY25 estimated EPS. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.